Okay, so this is the final question of the Khan Academy binomial probability questions. So the fourth question reads, Seth makes 90% of the free throws she attempts. She's going to shoot 3 free throws. Assume that the results of free throws are independent from each other. Let X represent the number of free throws she makes. Find the probability that Seth makes exactly 1 out of the 3 free throws. You may round your answer to the nearest 100th. So in this question, which is different from the other ones, it actually shows a percentage other than a ratio, which can make it a little bit easier to solve the equation, but it's not that much different than anything else that we've done. So it's showing that the probabilities of success of her actually shooting a free throw is 90%. So we're going to go to the probability calculator, and instead of putting it as 90%, we're going to put it in the decimal form. So it's going to be 0.9 or 0.90, whichever you prefer. Now, going to the number of trials, we're going to go back to the problem. And the maximum free throws that she's going to shoot is 3. So that's going to be the number of trials that are in this equation. So we're going to go back to the calculator and we're going to input 3. Now, to know what the number of successes is asking for, we have to go back into the question and see what the ratio do they want us to know about. So looking at the question, it says, find the probability that Seth makes exactly 1 out of the 3 free throws. So out of the 3 trials, we want to know what's the success of just getting 1 free throw inside the hoop. So we're going to put 1 in the calculator for number of success. We're now going to calculate, and these are the values that we get. We have to go back to the original question to see what exact probability that they want us to answer with. And it says they want it to be the probability that she makes exactly 1. So that's going to be the equal to sign. Going back to the calculator, that is the first value that they list. So it's going to be 0.02. But if we're rounding it to the 100, it's going to be 0.03. And it's correct.